Welcome to the R3 Breakfast Smoothie, where we recharge, reboot, and revitalize. Look at all that healthy, delicious goodness. I typically wash my fruits and vegetables with Fit, but here of lately, I've been washing my produce in baking soda and vinegar. I found that baking soda and vinegar does a better job of removing the buildup, wax, and dirt off of the fruits and vegetables, and as you can see, they was pretty filthy. So now I go right into rinsing all that stuff off. Most of it I'm going to chop up off camera. Some of it I chop right over the blender. Now, because of the amount of fruits and vegetables that are used plus the juice combination, I like to use the Ninja because it can chop a lot of that stuff up relatively quickly. And what I have to do to make room for all of that stuff, because I do it all at the same time, is I pour it off into this little pot, and as I'm blending through it, I put it in the pot, I stir it all up and mix it up all together. Full disclosure, blending it down in the Ninja is going to leave behind a lot of pulp, and for some people, they don't like to feel their food in their smoothie. So what I do is blend it all down using my Ninja. I transfer it back to the juice container, and every morning I will pour off some of my smoothie into a NutriBullet cup, like the single serve size, and I will blend it down even further till it's more so like a juice than a smoothie, and it makes it easier to drink. And either I will have it as my meal for the morning, or I will have it with my breakfast. So this is me transferring the juice, transferring the blend out of the pot and into the containers. For every one of these mixes, there's always 2 containers. So it's usually the last one that I just finished plus the new one that I purchased. And this is me enjoying my R3 Breakfast Remedy. To get a free download of the R3 Breakfast Remedy and to get the bonus lemon cleanse, click the link below or click the link in the bio. Ta-ta for now.